Ow, 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 ow. That's a lot of blood. It actually really won't stop bleeding. Ow. Good morning, everybody.
Hello.
Happy weekend. We are just up this morning and headed to the pool with the kids. Hopefully they will both be okay. April's a bit cranky this morning.
Yeah.
We're hoping that this will not be a disaster. But we need to get out of the house on days like this because otherwise we both go insane. We did it.
Kids loved it.
Hi. Alright, so we've kind of been pretty busy since coming home. Both of us just kind of chilled out for a bit while the kids slept. But we have now moved all of this stuff around. So Ray's computer used to be there and now it is no longer there. And now Ray's computer is in here. I will also be moving the art easel out here. So I think this is going to be kind of like a I don't know, play area separate to the normal play area. I don't know. We're still kind of figuring out how we want to lay out the house. Who knows, maybe that'll eventually be the actual playroom. Ray and April have just gone out to do a bit of shopping, last minute shopping for the day. I've just prepped us some dinner and this little guy's having a snack and I'm just going to rest for like 5-10 minutes before they get back. What? You having fun making a mess? Gotta love that moment that you slave over a dinner for your toddler and they just flat out play with it and refuse to eat it.
So I just went shopping at Kmart and they've got just cheap stuff. So got some toys, got Max a toy, got Trixie a few toys. Try and keep her entertained so she's not so crazy. And this is one of them, a little puzzle. Can you work it out, Trixie? What's behind it? Look here. Trixie, look. There's one. We'll get you washed up.
Trixie, there's more.
Idea.
I don't think she's smart enough for this. May not be that clued in for this game.
Everybody clap. Everybody
sing. La 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 la. Bow to your partner.
Get a bow.
Get a bow. And then you turn around.
Ready?
Hands in the air. Rock-a-bye bear.
Bears now asleep.
Shh, shh, shh. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose.
And counting in Spanish. Rojo, amarillo, azul, naranja, verde, morado.
Good morning, everybody. We are actually at the shops today. Just giving Cooper some lunch after doing some grocery shopping. He was cracking it, so thankfully he's happy having the lunch. Yeah. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah. So after today's lunch, we'll just go and finish up the shopping and then head home. Hey buddy, change of scenery? So we are back from the shops and unfortunately I've just grated my thumb off. Well, obviously not my whole thumb, that's a bit of an exaggeration, but I have definitely done damage and I can definitely feel it. Don't really want to look at it, but I know I have to because I have to put band-aids on it. Okay, let's do this. Ow, 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 ow. That's a lot of blood. Gonna keep holding the tissue on there for a little bit longer because it still hasn't stopped bleeding and it really freaking hurts. Ow! It actually really won't stop bleeding. Ah! Ow! So I've got like 3 band-aids on it, but it won't stop pulsing. Let's just power on, shall we? Managed to actually prep dinner with this. I've just held it up the whole time basically, and now I have to change this guy's butt with one hand. All right, buddy, can we do this? Can we do this? Yeah. Get down. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to scare you. Oh my god, this is so difficult. Really take for granted, ow, having 2 ow hands. Yay, we did it.
You ready?
You like that?
April's turn. You ready?
Clap, clap, clap. Okay, hello everybody. I'm gonna end the vlog for the weekend / Monday. Ow! God dang it! My thumb really hurts. Every time I move it or touch it, or yep, it just really hurts. Really, really hoping it's better by tomorrow. I'm really scared to look at it, to be honest, because I don't know, I just feel like there's gonna be like skin flapping around, and it's just, it's right on the tip of the thumb, which I've done before, and it's so sensitive because it's right where all the nerves are. So yeah, gonna have a shower and go to bed. Ray has actually gone to basketball. He's playing basketball tonight, so that'll be fun for him. Comment of the vlog goes to this person, so thank you very much for that comment. Yahoo! Question of the vlog is, have you ever done an injury like this? Chopped off the tip of your thumb or the finger or something like that? Give me sympathy pain, because you would know what this feels like. Thank you all for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Yeah, good morning, afternoon, night, whatever it is where you are, and I'll see you guys all in the next vlog. Bye.